Dumping the last little bit of canola off some cleanup stuff. That's Grandpa using that one there. But yeah, she's some wetter stuff, so she's going straight to the elevator. Look at this. Colby, what's with the canola in the auger still? Where'd all the canola that was in the top part of the auger go? It must be on the ground. I don't know about that, Colby. I'm gonna have to ask him. Must have forgot to empty his auger out before he folded her. No good, no good. Yeah, me and Colby in here in the grain cart, sweeping out some nice green canola. What do you think about this, sir, Colbs?
Just a mess, in my opinion.
No good, eh?
Got a mess on our hands here.
She's this is that nice hailed stuff I was telling you guys about. She isn't very nice. Kind of just sticks to everything. And look at these ladybugs. Look at this. They're just everywhere. Millions of them. I don't know what that means, but Colby, I don't even know how we're gonna get this all down.
Gonna take some time. Time and effort.
A lot. Too much labor.
Good thing we got time on our hands, eh?
Yep, good thing she's raining. Or spitting anyways. No fun, no fun. We got as much off the sides as we could. And then obviously the bottom filled up, so we got Colby's dumping her right now. 100% OSHA approved. OSHA approved. See, now I gotta sweep this stuff all back down there. But we're gonna get rid of that big pile first, and then we'll get the rest in. Look at this. Nice clean. What do you think of her spice?
Could be cleaner.
Could be cleaner.
Yeah.
Man, I broke sweat doing this.
Some in the corner there.
That could be just rotten stuff that wouldn't slide. None of it would slide, man. It was bad. It was wet. No good. No good. I broke a sweat. Oh. Okay.
There's still ladybugs in there.
Yeah, we'll let them live another day. But yeah, I think that load's gonna have to go to the elevator too. She ain't going in no bin, that's for sure. Here, Spice, take that. Yep, yeet. Well, that's one job down.
Get into the elevator. Realize the boys forgot the cranks.
Yeah. Hopefully the boys got a crescent wrench or something we can crank the chutes with.
Weren't prepared.
No good. What do you think we got on her?
I'm saying
35 ton?
about that. 30.
30 ton. She's a pretty high moisture load. Oh, chatty boys are in the middle of it.
Got the locomotive sitting pretty there.
Looks sexy on the tracks. That was a bit of a workout, holy A Spice.
I was. What's the dockage looking like on it?
3.9% dockage.
Oh,
Moisture 10%.
10%. That's what you like to see, eh?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you know how much we had?
Yeah.
33.5 ton.
Really?
Yeah, like I'm closer.
Not bad at all.
Colby's up there sweeping the hoppers out.
Bit of a workout, I tell ya.
Put the guy to work.
Oh well.
I'm out there cranking shoes with a pipe wrench.
Just the life.
That was no good.
Life of the party.
Slow, man. Back home we go. Change some concaves.
Look at that outfit. Come on. Come on. Nice, B. Anywho, getting ready to swap concaves. One down, 2 more to go. Sounds good. Alrighty, B. What do you got going on here?
Well, we got a bolt in a silly spot, like way back here. You can't get into it with anything. So we got this redneck mockery going on here. We'll see if it works. Might blow to pieces. I don't know, honestly.
Do you even know what you're doing?
Hardly. Boys, we actually might have the money here. It's got a lot of movement.
Maybe too much movement?
Yeah, let's take one universal out of here. Well, we're gonna give the beans a whirl. It's been a couple days of rain, so I don't know how they'll go, but yeah, we're gonna give her a whirl. Looks not bad. We got a little bit of dust, but we'll hop in the cab. How's the first bit of bean cutting going there, Daryl?
Well, I don't know, after a long rain delay, it's
a little
kind of
slow.
ready to get back into her, but I'm not sure whether they're going to be ready or not. 15% moisture.
Well, that's dry. Something like that, I think, anyways.
Not a bad stand out here.
No, it doesn't look too bad. We got dust. We got dust in the mirror. I don't know if they can see it or not on there. There's a lot of dust here. We got all the side panels closed.
I'm wondering the same thing. We should stop and take a look.
Yeah, that's a little alarming. Holy, look at this! That's our issue. Colby not doing his job out here again. Yeah. Better fix that up. Come on, Colby, what are you doing, man? You had one job. It's kind of weird because, well, we had like, see the dust everywhere here. Big pile up there. But, yep, that was the issue. Good thing we noticed. Get up on the roof there, big boy. Oh, holy, we got dust. Look at the dust on the roof. Holy. You gotta find a level spot to do them though, eh?
Look at that, it's almost like it was made to do it right here.
You know how to work that thing even?
No.
You need me to?
Fill it.
Oh!
Dump it.
No, you gotta put it on there. You gotta read it. Here. You hold this, I do that.
Well, we're just in the tank doing a sample here. See if we can make this thing work. What do we got?
Testing.
Sample looks pretty clean. I don't know. What do you guys think?
13.1%.
What do we got?
13.1.
Well, that's not too bad.
It's dry.
Keep going.
Well, we should go look behind, see if we got
Yeah.
a little back, make sure everything's shelling.
See if we got any shelling going on.
Not shelling.
Go from there.
No.
Or well, we don't want to be spitting pods out, but see what kind of losses we got.
We got a little kind of chewy too. But doesn't look like there's any unthrashed stuff.
No.
I mean, they all look shelled.
Yeah.
What do we got? They all look shelled.
Got some beans on the ground. You really need that pan. Just throw it down once and then it gets a
Lost.
you get a loss. You don't know what you got here.
I don't think you need
That's
to hit
not
it hard.
it's coming out of the pods. There's no
nothing
unshelled
unshelled.
pods. So
Sapper is like super clean.
is it?
Yeah.
So open up the bottom sieve a little more.
Bottom?
In the top one. Okay. Yeah, I'd say go.
Give her a whirl.
You want me to go? Go if you want. I'll let you go and you guys take the trucks back and
Bring the other ones.
yeah.
Okay.
Bring the cart back.
Well, Nathan, I don't think he's going back this way.
What's he doing?
I'm not sure. I thought he was coming combining from the combine.
Yeah. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Good. Let's get going in this stuff.
Okay, we'll go get the other stuff. Guess we're going combining. So we're combining.
Are you wanting us to go and cut that corner tomorrow and then come back to this stuff?
The old talking box is kind of
heat of the day to chew up some of that green shit, and then, you know what I mean, you can use some of this to kind of clean the combine back out. Okay.
Yeah, we're cutting beans. We got Nathan, he's right there. Daryl, he's over there. If you can see him for the sun or not, but
Or cut half
things
the
are
corner
working
and then come over here and cut a bunch.
smoothly.
You can end up over there.
Get some pretty good speed
Finish up.
going for the most part. Like 4 mile an hour ish. Not too bad stand. But these are the. It's kind of dusty too out front, going one way. The wind's not really helping us, but yeah, we've already put a couple rocks through too. That's really nice. So I gotta spend the morning fixing fingers in my center drum there. That smashed like 4 out, so that was awesome. That was in the first like 10 minutes. But yeah, these are those HDR headers. I don't know if you can see it there or not, but they're like the first year we've cut beans or anything on the ground with them, but they got no flex knife, right? So they're just hinge. Well, they're hinge drapers, is just what they're called, yeah. But they're basically just like an FD2 backed on with green paint. But we didn't know what they'd be like sitting on the ground, skidding on the ground, because the knife doesn't flex. Just the back bar, and they just bend up and down. But honestly, I'm pretty impressed so far. They seem like they're doing a pretty good job, because we have an old, like an FD on one combine.